Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will learn what is Node.js and how to start with Node.js. So Node.js is a runtime environment that provides you to write JavaScript code on server side and handle requests coming from the client. So it is very quickly and very fast to handle requests coming from the client and provides a lot of concurrent connections to handle those requests. Node.js is an open source platform and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. It is a popular tool for almost any kind of project. A Node.js app runs in a single process without creating a new thread for every request. Node.js provides a set of asynchronous input-output primitives in its standard library that prevent JavaScript code from blocking, and generally libraries in Node.js are written using non-blocking paradigm, making blocking behavior the exception rather than the norm. When Node.js performs an input-output operation like reading from the network, accessing a database or the file system, instead of blocking the thread and wasting CPU cycles waiting, Node.js will resume the operations when the response comes back. This allows Node.js to handle thousands of concurrent connections with a single server without introducing the burden of managing thread concurrency, which could be a significant source of bugs. Node.js has a unique advantage because millions of front-end developers that write JavaScript for the browser are now able to write the server-side code in addition to the client-side code without the need to learn a completely different language. Let us see how to install and start using Node.js. For the installation purpose, to install it on Windows, you will learn about the tools required and steps to set up development environment to develop a Node.js application. Node.js development environment can be set up in Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. The following tools SDKs are required for developing a Node.js application on any platform. So these are the steps. First, you need to install Node.js, then npm, that is Node Package Manager. Then after, you will need to have a IDE or text editor to write programs in Node.js. npm is included in Node.js installation since there is no need to install it separately. Go to the official website of Node.js and download the recommended version. After installing that setup, just you need to write node-v command in the terminal or any command terminal that you have on your system. To install Node.js on Ubuntu, you just need to use this command sudo opt install Node.js. It will install the Node.js on your system. And after successfully executing it, you just need to verify what is the version of the node. So you can use node-v or node-version. You may have noticed that Node.js is a single-threaded application instead of creating multi-threads. While to handle the requests coming from the client, it allows concurrent connections and to handle the requests and close them as soon as the process finishes. The other important note to keep in mind is Node.js is not a programming language. It provides us an environment to write JavaScript code on server side. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe.